I hadn't done a video in a while. This is what I'm eating. No bread with it. Potatoes maybe not so good for me. They're cooked in olive oil. Anyway, I got me hamburger meat going. I put a lid on mine because it helps cook it inside. You know, you can. I picked these up at Goodwill, the small lids. They'll fit on top of this size bowl here. You know, what you call I guess a cereal bowl. Anyway, so I cook my French fries in that. I don't like my fries too brown. I just want them firm enough. And I don't really like crinkles. So these are straight cut. And this is patties that were already frozen. I had to dig this one apart. Then the rest of them I put wax paper in between them and then put it back in the package. If you put it in a deep freeze, they freeze solid. So it's best that you take them apart as soon as you buy them. I don't know what brand they were because they're good quality meat. Going my husband, he buys Angus, probably Angus. But this is the way to brown your meat, y'all, really good. Put a lid over it. Works really good because the inside's getting steamed. And also you can, look, after you flip it over and on, you cook it, then you flip it back again, I always do, and then I put my cheese on top. Today I'm not having cheese, because I'm not having bread. I'm just going to have ketchup on my meat. I like ketchup. Put ketchup on my meat and French fries. And later I'll have some a salad or something. Right now I don't feel like no salad. This is all I want. Just burger and fries. See how it's browning on top with the lid? If you didn't have that lid on there, it wouldn't start turning brown like that. See? And I leave mine on there until I see the bottom of it kind of browning more. And it doesn't take long. It actually takes less. I'm gonna keep an eye on my French fries. They're about ready to come out. You know, you put them in there when your grease is hot. That way they don't get grease soaked. Mine, I like them when they start feeling firm. That one's done. That one's not. Okay, it's about time to take my French fries out. I do not like to overcook them. I turn my fire off and I've got to drain them. Alright, this burger's ready to turn. See how it's brown on top? Take that lid off. That lid's not even hot. You see how that meat is brown on top? Because you steamed it. Now you turn it over. Get all that meat together. Put the lid back on it. Now that's how you cook a hamburger, y'all. And it's all the way through, and then you don't have to burn it. It's on like, I don't know, medium heat. And that's how I cook my burger. You can throw cheese on top as long as the lid's not touching. This lid's really not touching. Maybe just a tiny bit. But I put cheese on this all the time. You can smash it out flat enough if you want to put cheese on it so it don't touch the lid. You put the lid back on, that cheese will melt really quick. Doesn't take very long. This is how I cook my cheeseburgers. Well, cheeseburger meat. It's the best way, y'all. Now see, I drain my in a paper towel. I shake them around, put a little more salt on them. the salt coming out? I can't even see. Oh yeah, I hope I didn't oversalt it. Can't really see. Alright, so. And then I'll just plate this. Put it on a plate. And sometimes I'll squeeze it down a little bit. Make sure the middle's done. The juices are no blood, y'all. That's how you keep from having blood in your meat, you know, cooked on. See how nicely that's brown? I want to brown the other side a little bit more. I want it to look like that. Use the lid trick, y'all. And don't cook your meat. Put it on medium. It doesn't have to be, you know. This is splatters. Comes off real easy. I don't put no grease in there or anything. This is what come off the burger. See, it's a good burger because there's hardly anything in there. See? And cook in the middle and the grease runs away from your meat off to the side. Depends on your pan. I've got this pan I like. High on the size. It's about a medium-sized pan. It's about done. And then I'm going to put it on paper towel. And there you have it. See, burger, French fries in about 5 minutes. Now save this that you drained your, save your paper towel so you can wipe out this. Wipe this out with it. So don't throw that away. Okay, y'all. That's my tip for today. How to cook a hamburger. Bye, y'all.